Welcome to this video. Today we're diving into the importance of 3D models in PCB and hardware design. I'm Kirsch, a hardware design professional with experience in electrical and systems engineering, and I'm here to share why 3D models have become a crucial tool in modern electronic hardware and PCB design. Let's get started. In the past, PCBs normally would rely on simply 2D representations of the printed circuit board. While this is functional, this often led to issues in manufacturing and assembly of the PCB. 3D modeling has evolved to offer a more complete visualization of the PCB, transforming the way engineers design, verify, and collaborate on tech products. So let me show you this. If you go to View 3D Viewer, this is the 3D representation of this board, much different in view from what you might imagine from the 2D view. 3D models provide an enhanced view of how components are placed on the PCB, offering a realistic view of the board layout. This makes it easier to identify potential issues with component spacing, interface, and access during manufacturing. With 3D modeling, you can see exactly how components fit together. This helps prevent issues like incorrectly oriented connectors or obstructed mounting points, saving time and cost in later stages. 3D models improve collaboration between electrical and mechanical engineers. Look at this electromechanical integration here. By integrating with mechanical CAD systems, teams can ensure that boards fit perfectly within product enclosures, minimizing back and forth and reducing errors. This is something I had to deal with in my role at Canon when I had mechanical engineers that I was talking to make sure that my PCB could fit into the appropriate enclosure. So 3D models allow designers like myself and mechanical engineers and the team to verify component clearances, ensuring proper fit within the enclosures in the projects. This step is crucial in preventing costly redesigns due to mechanical conflicts. So the rule of thumb is mechanical and spacing takes precedence in your product and PCB design, so long as it does not violate or cause issues for your electrical functionality. Thermal visualization is another major advantage of 3D modeling. 3D models enable engineers to assess heat dissipation paths and identify potential hotspots before a product is even manufactured. Next is marketing and presentation. Realistic 3D renderings are invaluable for product presentations, early stage prototyping, and investor pitches. These models make it easy to convey complex ideas, providing a clear, tangible view of the final product. So here, like in KiCad, you can do a view and you can change your different views, like a view front, view back, left, right, and rendering your views to be more realistic, like with ray tracing. So there are multiple types of 3D models. The first one is step. Step models are widely used due to their high accuracy and compatibility with various CAD tools, making them a top choice for PCB design. Next, you have IGES. IGES stands for Initial Graphics Exchange Specification. IGES models offer flexibility but may lack some precision compared to step models. While not as common for PCB design, they are still used in specific cases. There are also virtual reality modeling language or VRML models used for virtual reality applications, and they have niche uses in PCB design but offer unique visualization possibilities for immersive design reviews. While 3D models are powerful, they come with challenges. File sizes can be pretty large, impacting the software performance. Just here trying to view this 3D model provides some issues for me. And I'm working on a pretty powerful computer. Also be aware of potential intellectual property concerns, particularly when sharing models externally. The future of 3D modeling and PCB design includes integration with augmented and virtual reality for immersive design reviews. So here we've got Inspect AR, where you can pull up a real board, a PCB that's been manufactured, and overlay the Gerber files in an augmented reality kind of fashion, so you can see the traces as if they were in the design files overlaid on top of the physical PCB. This really goes a long way for debug and testing. You even have AI-assisted 3D model generation on the rise, promising to streamline workflows even further. And even without the AI, you have tools like Altium Designer that can generate 3D step models and footprints like directly. So you don't even have to go and download 3D models especially for basic footprints. Here you also have PCB libraries which can generate 3D models, common sample 3D models as well. 3D modeling is transforming PCB and hardware design, offering better visualization, improved collaboration, and greater design accuracy. By adopting 3D models, you'll be well equipped to create innovative, reliable products. If you're interested in learning more about PCB design, check out my detailed course on creating hardware products from scratch. See you next time.